In this short video, I am going to discuss with you an update we implemented regarding the default group and profile avatars on your site. In this latest update, we've introduced a feature that allows administrators to set initials as the default profile avatar for groups, new users, or those who still need to upload their profile pictures. Now, let's go to the WordPress backend so I can show you how to enable this feature. Here I am in my WordPress backend under BuddyBoss, Settings, then Profiles. Scroll down to the Profile Images section, and you will notice this new display name option for the default profile avatar. It says here that the display name will show either a single initial or double initial depending on your display name option in Profile Settings. And under the cover image preview, you can see how this will look on your web and app users. For my site, I have first and last name selected here, so it will show double initials on the default profile avatar. Don't forget to click Save Settings. Now, let's do the same for groups. Under the group settings, scroll down to the Group Images section. Then select Group Name for the default group avatar. You can also preview the cover image here for web and app users. Then click Save Settings. Now, let's switch to the front end to demonstrate how this feature will appear on my website. We are now on the members directory. Here, we have multiple users who haven't uploaded their photos yet. And since we selected first and last name for the display name format, their default profile avatar shows their initials with a randomly selected color for the background. Now, let me show you what will happen if we change the display name format to first name only. Then let's click Save Settings. After changing this format, don't forget to run the community repair tool to update all the users. Now let's go back to the front end and refresh this members directory page. As you can see, users' default profile avatar has been updated and displays only the initials of their first name. Now let's navigate to groups. We can see the architecture group with no profile photo and only shows the initial of their group name. And that's how you can set initials for group and users' default profile avatars. Using initials as a profile avatar can strike a balance between providing a visual representation of a user while respecting privacy and maintaining a professional and organized appearance.